Okay, we're going to level up our Canva skills a little more today. We are going to start with a blank design. We want something fall inspired. I always type autumn into the search box. And let's have a look through these photos. Ooh, something like this would be cute. All this. Okay, so all this, we want to make it just look a little more interesting. So we'll take this picture, pop it in, right click on it, set it as the image so it expands it out. What we're then wanting to do is take that transparency right down, so like 35. Okay, from there we are going to frame. So we're going to have a look at these frames. Okay, come down and find the phone frame. Good. I'm going to pop 3 in there. Spread them out a little bit. Need them to line up. We have our 3 frames, and what we are going to do is go back and find this image again. You can just find it in our recents, and we want to drag that onto the frame. So if we drag it onto each of these frames, you can see it is showing you the same piece of the image regardless of where the frame is. So we would like the entire image to be placed over these 3 frames. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to double click on that one. You need to make this frame the size of all of these. So we are going to actually stretch it right across the page. And I think we just want to make sure we've got the right part of the image in. Yes, so we'll just move it up a little. Okay. Then you hit return or enter key. So this one is that side of it. Now you want to do the same thing again, but on this frame. So double clicking on that, resizing it to fit. And now you just need to adjust it so that these 2 parts of the image are lined up. Like that. Hit that return key again. And now we're going to do the same thing for the 3rd image. Double click on that. Let's move this and resize this image. And now we just need to adjust it so that these are in line. That looks good. Then enter key. And now, voila, we have this cute design that then you could go and put something inspirational about fall down here. Book reading in fall. Fall is the perfect time for reading. Let's change our font. Oh, I love this one. Let's make it a little bigger. Let's make it a little bit. Let's go even bigger. Just line it up with these frames. And voila. If you're a bookish account on social media, you could use something like this. If you're into fall or autumn, you can use something like this, or you could use it for any design really. Hope you enjoyed this mini little Canva tutorial and have a great day.